Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these hot dogs. Now hold on before you say, oh wait, eating hot dogs? Now these are hot dogs from a local hormone-free place, and yeah, it's actually kind of neat. It was on sale. They were doing a free delivery promotion, so you know, I want to help local business out. So here, check this out here. So these are hot dogs, and now if you look carefully, it says pork, hormone, and chemical free. It's got black and white pepper, nutmeg, paprika, coriander, onion, and some phosphate. So that's basically that's in these hot dogs. So yeah, hormone free. So I never had these before, and here's the nutrient panel if you guys want to read it. And I'm gonna cook these up, do a quick taste test, and see how well they are. So just hang on tight, guys. And how I'm gonna cook them is actually I'm just gonna boil them. So I'll be back, guys. Here is the hot dog all cooked up. I boiled it, and this is the one that is, like I said, hormone free, chemical free. So let's take a look at what it looks like here. So that's what it looks like. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. These are actually really good. They are so, what's the word, like, not salty. It's not overly salty, and they have such a like tender bounce to them that they taste really good, actually. It almost tastes like when I was a kid. It brings back memories. It tastes like those Oscar Mayer wieners. Actually really good, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.